Hi, this is Steve Trebon from ADVAIA, and today we're going to continue on with our series on managing your content management system, or CMS, by training on adding exclusive offers. This is going to be a little bit longer of a training today because it covers quite a bit of content in the content management system and where to get those offers from. So once you log into your content management system, you'll be coming to the travel specials section. This is broken down in your side menu, which allows you to see all the offers you've created as cruise specials, everything that you've created as land vacation specials, everything that is listed as a multi-offer special, which is specials that have an offer ID from signature that starts with a alphabetical character. And then if you just wanted to view all specials, you would click down here. There are three separate functions to create exclusive offers available to you. And you can get this content directly from Signature Travel Network through Signet under Signature Promotions. So you have the ability to create an HTML page without having any knowledge of how to write HTML code using the WYSIWYG that we have in the new content management system. This is just like creating a Word document, only the coding is all done in the background behind you. Upload file specials is when you have a PDF that you want to upload to the server and display to your clients and something they can print out. This sometimes comes from a supplier, it could come from Signet, it could be something that you created in-house. And then one of the easiest ones and most used is signature specials because these work with offer IDs. When the offer ID is included in the exclusive offer, it will pull all the content from the Signature Daily API related to that offer ID, whether it be a cruise or a vacation, etc. So it's probably, like I said, one of the ones that is used the most, and you can find these offer IDs in Signet, and I'll show you that in a few minutes. So first, let's go into the signature special, and you're going to click on that link and then add a signature special. Now, yesterday we talked about the general functions adding destinations and vendors, and here's where you're going to see those drop-down menus. Here's the vendor, here's the destination. So it's real important for you, before you start creating any type of HTML, signature, or PDF offer, that you determine that you have a vendor created and a destination created. And remember, vendors can be non-signature suppliers. When it's a non-signature supplier, you just add zeros to the ID number. So you have special type, display on the site, yes or no, feature on the home page, yes or no. And then you have a title, a tagline, the lowest price, vendor, destination, length of the travel, and the expiration date. And this is the date that you want this offer to stop displaying on the website. What it does is it takes it off the website, but it leaves it in your content management system. Thereby, you can recycle that offer, that exclusive offer, at another time. And then the offer ID. Now, these fields here are consistent with all three types of exclusive offers: the signature special, the HTML special, and the upload file special or PDF special. Everything below the expiration date is specific to the type of special that you're creating. So now we're going to log into Signet. Where I'm going to show you where you can find the various types of offers that you can put into your content management system. I'm logging in as another signature member so that I can have the live content from Signature Promotions. Once you log in, you'll see the Signature Promotions button. In here, you will find all of the cruise and vacation suppliers in alphabetical order. Some of them will be expanded, some of them will be non-expanded. All you have to do is click on the right side plus button or these are all the promotions that are coming from AMA Waterways. There's this travel consultant incentive, Wave single supplement, CLIA Plan a Cruise in the Month, etc. Your vacation suppliers will also have various offers. Abercrombie has this one offer that's going on right now. And just find the preferred suppliers that you want to promote on the website. And these offers are uploaded on a regular basis from Signature. When you click on an offer like this, up to $4,000 per couple savings for Oceana Cruises, it takes you to a page that is a detail page for the promotion itself. And this gives you the booking window, the expiration date, what the promotion is, redemption instructions, etc., terms and conditions. But at the bottom of each of the offers will be what I call the collateral materials. And these are the offers that are associated with this particular promotion. So once you click on the view offers, and there may be additional links in here, you click on the link and it should open up the offers. I can see it's spinning up here. And sometimes it takes a little longer to load. And hopefully today it's going to load quickly. Not going to happen. Well, while we're waiting for it to load, the information up here can be your title and tagline, because this is basically the copy of the promotion that you can put onto the website. You can also use the expiration date if it's an expiration date like this, which is October 1st through November 30th. But you'll see here that this is repeated. This copy here is also repeated up here. Now let's try this link here. There we go. Neither one are opening. So you'll get to this page when it opens up, and it will give you all the applicable sailings for this particular offer. You have the title, which gives you the destination, what the applicable incentive is, up to $4,000 per couple savings, the cruise line, of course, the ship, number of days, departure date, the from price, and then the offer ID over here. All of this information can be easily transferred into your content management system. In an offer like this, what I would want to do is find a sailing that has a pretty good shelf life, any of the December ones or into 2016, and pick a destination or an offer that you feel is going to meet with the visitors that come to your website, something that gives them the incentive to click on the link. So I'm going to pick on this 10-night Mayan Mystic Cruise. So I'm going to move this screen over and show you how we just copy and paste the promotion in here. So first I'm going to select that this is a cruise offer. I'm going to display it on the website and feature it on the home page. My promotion was Oceana Cruises. Up to $4,000 per couple savings. And then I'm going to select the sailing that I picked over here, which is the 10-night Mayan Mystic Cruise. The lowest price on here is $25.49. Now I'm looking at another screen where this information is, and again, I'm pulling it right off of here from Signet. The vendor is Oceana. The number of nights on this particular offer is 10. or excuse me, this is Mexico. I'm going to the destination first. Actually, no, that's Mayan. And my length is 10 days. This expiration I'm going to give is November 30th because that is what the promotion indicated from Signature. And this has a good shelf life, so you should be able to get some value out of this by making this type of offer available on your website. And then all I need is my signature offer ID, which I can copy from the Signet page. So once I save this, it's asking me to find something here. So what am I missing? That it's going to come back to show you the completed offer. So I just created this Oceana Cruises up to $4,000 per couple savings, 10-night Mayan Mystique cruise, expires 11/30/2015. It's a 10-night cruise, lowest price is $25.49, and this indicates that it is live on the website. Now when I view it, and here's your key to that, when I view this, it will actually take me to the live website and show me the entire promotion. Now, since this is done by an offer ID number, it is pulling in all the information from the Signature database. Here's that $4,000 per couple savings. Here's your itinerary. Here's your pricing, cruise inclusions, available add-ons, remarks, etc., 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 and people will be able to request more information by clicking here. So you can see that creating a signature special is actually a very, very quick and easy type of promotion to add. And when you're in Signet, you will see that there's quite a few of these offers that are available in here for the various suppliers. So here's one from Paul Gauguin, and this has 3 sailings. Here's your offer ID, here's your cruise, and in this case it doesn't give the lowest price, but you can just go to your live website and then you can just enter the offer ID right in here and find out the pricing of that particular sailing. So the lowest price on this sailing here is $35.95. Now, other types of promotions within the this Signet website is you can find PDF offers in here. Here's one, I believe this Oceana Cruise has a flyer. So it's a Bon Appetit Taste Master $200 per stateroom shipboard credit private wine tasting event, complimentary welcome bottle of wine on selected sailings. You have your applicable sailings down here in a spreadsheet, but it also generates a flyer. So in this case, we're going to create a PDF offer. So I click on the link for the PDF, and it shows me this has been provided by, obviously, by Oceana Cruises. It has all the pricing, it has all the itineraries, it has what the promotion is, etc. Once you open this, if you go to your computer and save as a PDF, and I'm just going to save this to my desktop and call it Oceana. Now, when creating a file name for images or files, make sure that you don't put any spaces in here between the two words or three words or however main words you're going to be putting into the name of the file. Um, the internet does not like spaces, so it may not open up this document. It may spin around and because it cannot find anything to relate to for that space. So you can either run the words together, put a dash, or you can do an underscore. And that's going to be my file name. So it's real important not to have any spaces in images or file names that you're uploading for your website. So I save that. Now I'm going to go back into my content management system, and I'm going to create a upload file special or PDF special. I have nothing in here, so I'm going to start from here. I'm going to select this as a cruise. Now here it really doesn't matter because it's this is just telling me the type of special I'm creating. It doesn't have to read from the signature database because it's actually pulling from the PDF file. So this is going to be Oceana Cruises, Bon Appetit, Taste Makers, and $200 per stateroom shipboard credit. Private wine tasting, complimentary welcome bottle of wine. If I look back at my PDF, my lowest price is, I believe, $26.99. You don't see it because it's in a different screen. Yeah, $26.99. The vendor is Oceana Cruises, and my destination, I'm going to pick for that $26.99. Actually, it's $25.99. Europe, because that's the one associated with this, and that $25.99 is for a 7-day cruise. And this offer expires December 31st. So this is another one that has a really good shelf life on it. And then I'm going to choose the file that I saved. So I'm going to go back to my desktop, and I'm going to look for my document that is Oceana Promotion. And then I save it. And then again, it brings up the special, Oceana Cruises, Bon Appetit, Taste Masters. And here's my second tagline, $200 per stateroom shipboard credit, private wine tasting, complimentary welcome bottle of wine. Expires 12/31/2015 on a 7-night sailing for $2,599 starting price. I click the view, and here's my promotion. Now, this could be printed out by your customers, and they can also share the PDF, save the PDF, of course, but it's another easy way to get an offer built into the website. Now, my last type of exclusive offer is an HTML special. So I'm going to go to HTML special and click on Add an HTML special. Again, we have all the same information all the way down to the expiration date, and what makes it an HTML offer is the WYSIWYG that's down below. So now I'm going to go back into Signet, and I'm going to find another promotion that I can use. Now, before I do that, let me go in here. This WYSIWYG is just like typing a Word document, so you're really not limited to um, the, this little bit more complicated way I'm going to show you. You can actually use this to type just like you would a Word document. So you have the ability to bold, underline, italic. You can increase the font or make the font color different, the font size, the font type. You have the ability to put links in here, tables, upload images, etc. So this is actually very user-friendly. If you know how to do a Word document, you'll have a breeze. This is actually very easy to do. What it does, this source button here, is what indicates that the HTML coding is being put into the document behind the scenes, so that P and the P here are HTML tags for starting a paragraph. When you're typing it, it looks like this, but the coding is continuing on the back end. So as I add to this, it continues to add the tags. Now let's say I wanted to make my name bold, italic, and underline. And let's say I wanted to make the font size much larger than it is. Now you see, again, on source, it continues to add those tags, HTML tags, to my name and to this code that I'm putting in here. If I were to add a table, so I could put in a detailed itinerary, a box opens up. I'm going to make this 3 rows, 6 columns. I'm going to leave a border size here so you can actually see the actual table as I build it. I'm going to make this go into the center of the document. And cell padding and spacing allows there to be a little bit of room within each cell of the table. I'm going to make this 100% of the page size, which will make the table spread all the way across. It gives me plenty of room. So now you see my table in here. Now I can make my table headings here. You can see I'm just using just like a Word document. And this is basically just like what you were seeing in Signet. So I just can start building my table here. So I'm going to put in a crazy date, March 14, 2016 through March 22nd, 2016. Number of days is going to be 7 days. The ship is the Dream. Destination is Mexico. My price is $4.99, and my offer ID, I'll just make one up here. Now, if I wanted to make this into a link, I would just have to find the applicable offer ID on my website and then copy and paste that URL by highlighting the number, clicking on this button for link, and then pasting that in here. I'm just typing in Google for now so you can see. So now this turns into a text link. So you can continue building your table, as many sailings as you want to put in here if you're building something with multiple. Because again, I'm just giving you some ideas of how you can use the HTML function within your website. This could also be another way that you promote like an in-house supplier event where you have various suppliers coming in for like a travel show, and you can list the supplier name, their incentive, name of the person hosting. You can basically build tables any way that you want to. Adding images is pretty much the same way. You're going to add an image by the file name, and the file name should be the URL where you've uploaded the image to the to your website server, which you do through the general functions over here, upload files onto the server. But that gives you just a basic idea of how this works. Now on the back side, here's all that HTML coding that's being done for you. And this will also create the coding to be responsive format. So I'm going to go back over to Signet, and I'm going to try and find another offer in here that allows me to create an actual page. Signet has, since they have the ability to do microsites, they have several promotions that give you the ability to create a agency customized link or an agent customized link. If you want to do an agency one. Now this is National Discount Cruise because that's who I'm logged in as. But if I wanted to get this page onto my website and then edit it in the WYSIWYG, here's how you do it. You come to the page, you right-click on the outside of the actual coded portion. You click View Source, and it's going to open up all the HTML source code. For most people, they're not going to have any clue what this means. You simply have to copy and paste all of this code come back over to your WYSIWYG. I'm going to clear everything out of here. And I'm going to I'm in the source mode. You can tell you're in the source mode because these functions gray out. And I'm going to paste all that code in here. And again, you're not going to know what this is. But once you go back to out of the source mode, now you've copied that exact same promotion into your content management system. But now I want to clean this up a bit because I don't need all of this extra information in here. But here's my title. Again, I'm going to create it just like I would any other offer. My tagline also came over. I can look in here and I can find a price. $18.49. It's this was AMA Waterways. Yes, AMA Waterways. Destination is for the particular offer that I found is Europe. It's a 7-night sailing. And I'm going to give this an expiration date of October 30th, 2015. That's the day that this will drop from the website. Now I'm going to go in here and I'm going to start cleaning this up. And you may want to watch this section a couple times because it is a little bit tricky. But basically what you're doing, just like you would in your Word document, you have the ability to erase things. So I don't need my header here. I do want my picture to stay. I do want all this information to stay in here. I have a video that plays, so I can continue to watch the video. But then all in this area, I have links. So I can either replace these links with the actual sailing link by doing a search for this particular offer, or I can erase the links altogether and just send them to the homepage of my website. But preferably what you'd want to do is you'd want to find this actual sailing. If you go back to the original artwork or the original page where we got this copy from, the fastest way to do it is to find the offer ID that will come up over on Signet. And in this case, it is 13097. So I'm going to go back to my site. Be an M in front of there. There we go. And I'm going to copy this link into this URL. I'm going to give it a target of the same window because I'm still on my website for that link. I make sure that there's no other places where that is. And then I just continue to do this all the way down through each individual offer. And in this case, what it's doing is, as I'm changing that offer, it's actually changing the URL that I've changed in here. Then I don't need to tell a friend, so I'm going to erase that. And then I don't need all of this information in here. But I am going to leave this disclaimer in here because it is important information that I want the consumer to see. I save this offer. And when I'm saving it, then the offer will appear back in your as showing as a completed offer. So again, it's got my title, my tagline, the number of nights, one of the lowest prices I picked, and it's showing that it's live on the website. To view the offer on the live site, I just click on it, and as you can see, it looks exactly like the page that we created or that was generated over on the signature side. Now, in this example, I haven't cleaned up all of the links, but it's really going to be real important that you go back and check all your links within the document to make sure that you don't have them going back to that consumer page that we had over here. Because when you click on these links, it's going to go to this branded page. Now, As long as you're logged into Signet, you can leave everything the way it is as far as the links go, because it will have your brand up at the top. But I like to keep it a little bit clean, so it's kind of your preference. You can either send them off to this page by just copying and pasting the HTML code in there and just cleaning up the bottom or the top and the top, or you can go back into um, your document here in your content management system and clean it up in there. So now when I go back and view all my specials, I have an example of each special that I just created during this training. So I have my signature special, I have my PDF upload special, and I have my HTML special. And these will all appear on my live site now. If I go over to Lindstrom Travel, here's where my exclusive offers are showing. Here's the Mayan Mystic Cruise. Here's the Oceana Cruise. That's the PDF. And here's the HTML special that I created. So 3 offers are now appearing on the site. And perhaps I want one of these offers to be associated with one of my banner ads. So this would be a good one for my Mayan offer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my Mayan offer so I can get the link. Then into my content management system under marketing banners, manage the homepage banners. Change this link over here to that link that's actually live on the site. Keep the same picture. Copy and paste my copy here. And then I save that. Now when I go back to the live site, now my banner ad will go directly to my 10-night Mayan Mystic Cruise offer. There we go. So creating offers within your content management system, your exclusive offers in here, gives you the ability to drive your customers to those offers that you're creating within your content management system. So you can either do your offers first, then go back into your banners and manage your banner images, uploading the images that could be associated with the offers that you're creating in here. Or you can just, over time, as you have more of a image library in here, you can create specials and then just choose images that you have loaded in here that you've used before. So it's really important, and as often as the signature content is being changed in Signet to their promotions in this area, these are being updated all the time. And as a manager or an owner of an agency, you will be getting regular emails from Signature telling you all of the new updates. I suggest that what you do is when you get those in, start paying a little attention to which one of those go along with your marketing efforts or direction or suppliers that you want to promote. And then you can then go into your content management system, because you'll be able to click on the link from the email from Signature. It'll take you directly to the promotion and the details of the promotion. And like I said, there's always going to be collateral material down here. There's always going to be a title and tagline up here. There's always going to be an expiration date here. Here's another second tagline. And then all this information pertaining to how to book this for you to give to your travel staff, so they know that the promotions that you're listing on your website are, here's the information on how to book them, where you got that information from. And they can also look and see if there's additional offers by viewing the additional offers that are in here. So we've covered quite a bit today in this training. So like I said, you may want to come back and view this again. So we've shown you today I've shown you today how to create your HTML specials, upload file specials, PDFs, and your signature specials. And view this training a few times, and after you get a little practice at it, you'll find how quickly it is to load exclusive offers onto your website and really keep this content constantly changing for your viewers. Because remember, with a lot of people using mobile devices now, with these offers changing and these banner ads being updated on a regular basis, your viewers who come back more than once will see that you're updating your content on a regular basis, and that this is a good site to come to for different types of travel promotions. Thank you for joining me today. Again, my name is Steve Trebon, and I'm with ADVAIA. You can reach me at 954-317-2628, extension 301, or email me at steve.trebon@advaia.com. Thank you for joining me today.